All right, so we're recording. It is the 1st of May, people. May. Yeah. It's, I don't know. I measured just under a foot of snow in my house, but look at this shit. And holy crap. It comes all the way up to, oh, I don't know, almost my knee. Certainly not that short. So, maybe a little little bike ride down the bike path. Can you see that they plow the friggin' bike path? It's awesome. Only in Fort Collins. I got the winter beater for shitty winter weather. And the birds are chirping. Idiots. Look at that. Eh. Oh, it's not gonna snow, they said. It won't stick. We might get an inch. Does that look like a fucking inch? I don't think so. It sure is pretty. April showers bring May snowstorms. That's not the way the story's supposed to go, is it? Hey, look. I'm not the only crazy person out there. Somebody else is riding their bike. A couple other people before me. There's some tracks. Big fucking deal, you say. Yeah, you get out here in this freezing, slushy shit. That's what they make cars for, they say. Yeah. Whatever. It's not gonna stick, they say. You'll only get an inch. Bet you told that to your wife. Hey, there's my favorite tractor. Yay! Say hi, favorite tractor. Oh, shit. That's slush. All right, bye, folks.